Hi there to my toy collectors. This is Lewis from Lulu's Action Figures. As you can see, today we got an exclusive from McFarlane Toys, DC Multiverse. As you can see, it is the Joker from the Dark Knight trilogy. I was able to get this action figure from Amazon. As you can see, it is a pretty incredible Joker figure. Pretty awesome. So I'm gonna stop it a little bit so you can take a better look at the Joker. Pretty awesome. It comes with a couple accessories. This is to collect the build of Bane. As you can see, his head is right there. And his hand parts. And some money accessory that Joker comes in with. So what I'm gonna do, folks, I'm gonna unbox this package so we can get up and close to the Joker. So hey folks, as you can see, we finally unboxed Joker. We're gonna get up and close to the Joker. But before I do that, let's view the accessories that it comes with. It comes with this Joker card. Why are you so serious? Pretty awesome. Here's the back of the card. There you go. He also comes with extra hands for Bane. There you go. Pretty cool. Here's another grabbing hand. Here is a fist hand. Another fist hand, and another grabbing hand, and another grabbing kind of hand, and he comes with the babe head. Pretty awesome. Can't wait to get the whole collection so I could put it together. But as soon as I get the whole full collection, I'll make a separate video on putting Babe together. Joker also comes with a stash of money. Pretty awesome. You can also stand the Joker here by the money. So that's pretty cool. Let's check the back. Stash of money. So now let's get up and close to the Joker. Get a better look. And look at that head scan. Pretty awesome. Why are you so serious, Batman? Pretty awesome. Filling the colors. It also comes with this stand. You can stand them up on that stand, or you could put them right next to the money. However you want to put it in your collection. Let's check the back piece. Pretty awesome. Let me remove this so you guys can get a better look at the shoes. Pretty awesome. The jacket is not removable. You can move the chain. You could bend his knees and move his knees up. You can move his foot. You can bend his other knees to sit him down. You can move his arms. And you could close his other arm and move his arm. Move his fist around. And you can move his head slightly, not too all the way. But other than that, this is a cool figure to have in your collection, folks. So don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and follow me at IG at Lulu's Action Figures. Till next time.